Electric motor.
Synthetic rigging.
Classic sailboat.
No electronics.
Crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
Going where the fair winds blow, our home is where the waters flow. We'll show you what we've come to know on board while sailing wisdom.
The water actually feels warm, though, after you've gotten it all over you. Time to switch watches. 7 o'clock.
Yeah. Ugh.
is so clear today. Can you hand up my life vest?
About 20 minutes or so we'll drive.
Okay.
Make our course to Cape Verde. How was your watch?
Very uneventful.
So I saw one boat. It's our first boat in like a week, but I think they're also doing the anti-piracy stuff that we're doing.
How far did they come to us?
They only got about 4 miles off, but they...
Could you see them?
That's the thing, their nav lights were super dim. So I don't know if like giant cargo ships have like a dimmer option, but we were running our dim nav lights as well and had our AIS off and our radar reflector lowered. That way, like they'd see us.
But
if
pirates
they were
wouldn't attack a cargo ship, would they?
Oh yeah, that's who they like, because they hit the cargo ship and then they hold them
Seems
for
like there would be
ransom.
like a lot of people on a cargo ship, though.
Nah, the crews are pretty small. It's like less than 8 people.
But we're about 300 miles off of Africa.
380.
380.
Yeah.
So pirates aren't coming out here.
No.
What do you want for dinner tonight? Are we doing burgers or lazy beef? Yeah, it's sunny. You want to try the sun oven?
It's sunny right now, so the sun oven that'll make food.
But you okay?
We can make burgers any day that's cloudy.
Well, if you do the sun oven,
We gotta start.
we
now.
have to start now.
Yeah. Let's jibe, and then after we jibe, we'll
Set it up.
set it up.
Are you dragging that line on purpose?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want broccoli in it?
Yeah, sure.
You want red or yellow onion?
Yellow.
Yellow. Alright, it's noon, so noon to noon, we did 127 miles, 121 made good.
Sweet.
Yeah, so
What was our average speed?
Yeah, I'm calculating. 121 over 24 hours, 5.04.
All right, that's got to be a record for us.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Now the last step.
Man, my mouth is so dry. His check bounced. The bank returned it, and it's been on your desk for 2 weeks. She paused and took a deep breath. You've stopped seeing clients, you don't return phone calls, and don't lecture me, Ethel. And you're a month behind on everything. That's enough. Ever since you took the Haley case, that's all you think about. You're obsessed with it. It's going to break us. Us? How many paychecks have you missed, Ethel? How many of those bills are past due, huh? Several. But no more than usual, right? Yes, but what about next month? The trial is 4 weeks away. Shut up, Ethel. Just shut up. If you can't take the pressure, then quit. If you can't keep your mouth shut, then you're fired. Pouring rain now. Woo.
I've been thinking about that since I woke up,
Me too.
but I wasn't gonna ask him for the surprise factor.
You want to reel it in?
Yeah. I was just looking at the fish.
Oh. Do you need me to get you a bucket? What about that alcohol?
Don't know when it got hooked. That's the issue.
Yeah, if it's still alive,
We're eating it.
we're eating it.
I just came up and saw the fishy.
You sure you don't want me to grab a bucket to put it in, even if it's dead?
Well, let's just get it up here.
Okay. It looks sizable.
Yeah.
Are you over the solar panel or under it? You're over it.
Over it right now.
Oh, there you go. Kind of looks like he's alive.
Except the escape on his side.
Oh, he is. 4 days at sea and we finally catch a fish and we didn't even notice it.
Yeah, well, you never made the alarm go.
Yeah, I don't think that works.
No, either.
It's very
Nope,
small.
It's not a. It's a small one.
Yeah.
But it is a mahi.
It's a mahi?
Yeah, that's what Dorado is.
Oh. Oh, it's dead?
Nope.
No, it's
alive.
definitely alive. Oh my gosh.
We have mahi.
Oh, we have a tiny mahi.
All right.
All right, I get bucket.
I'm
Or
gonna
you
go
want
up
to
the gate?
get him up on the deck?
Yeah.
I'll go get the alcohol. It's not that small.
It's alive.
Yeah, it is. All right, I'm getting the alcohol.
Oh, sweet. Very tricky to tie.
Yeah. Oh, it looks ready. Yep.
And do a middle
Oh,
part.
that's definitely ready.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it just falls apart. Oh, that is delicious. Mmm. Thank you, fish.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Babe, do you want first watch or second?
I'll take second.
Okay.
I'm tired. I could go to sleep.
Okay. I'll go sit outside.
That was a good day, wasn't it?
Yes. That fish was so delicious.
It was so good. I didn't expect it to be that good.
Oh, Dorado is so nice.
I think that was my first time ever eating a mahi-mahi.
Yeah, taste of dolphin in your face.
Uneventful watch.
Yeah, nothing really happened. Not a single boat, but we were doing 8 and 9 knots pretty steady, so that was impressive. Just seeing the water just blow past.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I turned on Regen because I can't sleep with the sound of the motor spinning so fast. So now that Regen's on, we're doing 6s for the knots. Still fast. So
Yeah, you did a short watch.
I did till 1.
Yeah. You started at 10.
It went till 1.
That's 3 hours.
Love you. Cute. Sweet.
I'm gonna be nice and give you 4 hours.
Good. Usually I give you like 5 to 8 hours.
It's true.
Alright.
Alright, up I go.
Bye. Love you. Pick me up when you're done.
Breakfast, but when I opened our egg container, oh, I have never smelled anything so bad in my life.
Well, we're pretty much beamed to the seas, and it's been horrible.
Because you literally set your sails and your autopilot, and you don't touch anything.
Storm is coming, and as the saying goes, if you think it's time to reef, you're late.
Thanks for watching this episode of Sailing Wisdom. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Rigging Doctor episode. And if you're interested in even more Rigging Doctor awesomeness, consider becoming a patron to see all of our extras. Can't wait to see you next time as you join us out here on the high seas.